Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka 22. Just as a man casts off his worn out clothes and puts on new ones, so also the embodied self casts off its worn out bodies and enters new ones.
Chapter 2, Shloka 22. Vasamsi jirnani yata vihaya navani gृह्णाति naroparani tata sharirani vihaya jirnani anyani samyati navani dehi.
Chapter 2, Shloka number 22. We have already explained that the self is indestructible. Now in this shloka, it will be shown how the self is indestructible. The ego in the subtle body uses the gross body to fulfill its desires. When the present body cannot express the ego fully, then the subtle body discards this gross body to get a new body. Lord says that as the individual changes his clothes when necessary, so too the ego discards one physical form to take another which will be better suited for its future needs. For example, in our daily life, the field where we are going to work decides the choice of our dress. Similar is the case with death and thereafter. Do we grieve when we change our clothes when they are worn out? The body is compared to the dress. The gross body is the dress for the subtle body. The worn out condition of the body is not based on the age or the condition of the body. It is based on the need of the ego to fulfill its desires through the gross body. In shloka number 12, based on the law of memory, the theory of reincarnation was stated, in which the continuation of life after death was explained. In this way, the indestructible nature of the self is explained. If the self is not indestructible, the theory of reincarnation and the law of memory will not function. And this is contrary to our own experience. More in the next shloka, in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.